Now, granite, Corian, marble, acrylics, all these siltstone, there's many different brands. It's a big deal. Everywhere you go nowadays, that's what everybody wants in their kitchens. You see it in all your hotels, even your inexpensive hotels, all the countertops and things that are granite. But the worst thing on granite is your stains like from makeup, hairspray, food particles, especially fruits and vegetables and things that have a lot of acids in them. Or, of course, alcohol and wine. We all love that, of course, and we know how that stains. So, in this case here, we have a product we call Granite Glass Protectant. Now, we have it under granite because it would be good for all the different stones. It could be marble, granite, siltstone, whatever you happen to have, Corian, and then glass as well. By putting this on top of a finish like glass and things, you're going to see how slick it gets. Now, this is not for flooring. Do not use this on flooring. Believe me, it's super slick. But this is a great product. It's made of a ceramic finish. We're going to spray this on. I'm going to put this a little bit of an angle so a camera guy can catch this. And spray it on over here. And of course, normally we'll do the whole thing, but I want to do just half to show you. We'll take another microfiber. And we have a nice thick microfiber here that absorbs. When you just take this, wipe it off. You can see the gunk that comes off that's been on here. But more importantly, it's a great cleaner, but the main thing is to protect the finish. The cool thing is when you put this on, I'm going to take a little water bottle here, is probably the best example. Just watch how it slides. It's phenomenal how it protects. When you hit the areas where I didn't do it, it just stops. So when you put this on, it's a phenomenal preservative. And with the bigger bottles, you'll see it even more so. When I was mentioning before how slippery it gets, a lot of times I do our countertop at home, and just for fun, I'll just do part of it, slide a beer over or a glass of wine, it just hits it right over there, it'll stop. But the Granite and Glass Protectant is a great product. It's made of, again, as I mentioned before, a ceramic finish, which is your latest technology. It's hydrophobic. It's not like waxes and things. When you put this on as a sealer, it's not going to be good forever. It'll last normally around 2 to 3 months, and then you can do it again, but it's so fast and easy. It does a phenomenal job. It leaves a beautiful, beautiful finish behind on the granite, and you can feel the results immediately. But thank you for your time. Appreciate your help. And this is Olie from Flitz. Until next time.